How can you change the sleep timer on your iPhone? Let's explain that. If this is your first time on the Foxtecc channel, consider becoming part of the community, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. What you probably are referring to by the sleep timer is that the time your iPhone lasts on the turn on screen, right? And that can be found in the settings. And inside of the display and brightness, we have the auto lock feature, which stands for automatic locking, of course. And there you get to select the time period of inactivity after which the iPhone will go to sleep, basically. So if that's the thing you have in mind, you can change it up in here. Most likely it's set to 30 seconds by default, but I like to keep it at the 5 minutes. The max is, of course, never, but I would not really recommend that. But yeah, of course, do whatever you need. So this is likely what you have in mind. Outside of that, you could also mean the sleep focus timer, because you can go to the focus section within your settings and locate a sleep selection, and there's like a sleep focus which limits some interaction and just like is supposed to not disturb you throughout the night. And in there you can also set up the timer or planned schedule, so you can also change the time specifically, for example, for from 9 p.m. or whatever. You can set it up right here. So as I say, these are the options which you have in mind most likely. If not, let me know about some other things so I can make an updated video. Subscribe and hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you later in the next guides.